Bam man. I'm not checking my bro, bro. Now me bro. Hey, Ahenkan, me Adwuma. That's right. Right, so 93.3 FM, folks. Midweek edition of Adwuma, beautiful song from Kopina Benji. Guru on this one as well. And Coffee Tea. Obi, I want to say 93.3 FM. Yeah, bet you say, yeah, some Ghana, some Africa. I don't pay me energy number. I don't pay me energy number, and I will tell you the reason why I have this so much energy this morning. So I am apparently myself and Atopahe. We this morning we ate beans and rice about 87 cedis. I don't pay me Atopahe. You dig up and more 87 cedis. Auntie, I mean, Papa. Anyway, it's 93.3 FM. From now to 12 p.m. Big shouts to my man Emmanuel Jumor, DJ Shabo, DJ Kobe K, Mr. Billy. For D4 Nana to Pahin the first. Obi, I want to say, I will quarter Wednesday, and of course, Wednesday edition of Adwuma. It's live on the radio. My bro, a daily dose of motivation and a faith. And your lifestyle segment will come in away. And today on lifestyle segment, it didn't come about depression. Yeah. That's my favorite song there. Zongo Ze. Samini Kobina. Over to my donation live on Facebook 93.3 FM. Send a text message for 0594 841044 0594 841044. Now, although message about now, I can cancel them out here on 93.3 FM. Real quick. Big shout and come on. Mr. Oben, Mr. Chumesi, KNL Fashion, Abigail Topizi. Good morning. Munya much my wabu halfway so asene. And come on, Gladys and Pabe, Plasma Detailer, Berryman Quine, Salute the Gambia, and I send for you anything back up. Much Mashane. Good morning. And come on, Nanaya, we have organizer. Oh, yeah, Bompire Johnson. And I want to pay want to say good morning. And come on. And I'll say SDA Johnson, Bra Michael, Exclusive Beauty Saloon. And then come on, Mahana. And I'll pay Mahana, Mamma to pay you dig up any business near the 87 cities. Yamiro. It'll pay me energy. Oh, what did you? It's the Mahana of God's time is the best fashion / garbage joint. Good morning. And come on, and I'll say for good morning, because some come on parties golden scissors. And come on, Masada Beauty Salute, Janice Fashion. And also, good morning, Kasiapa. And come on, Jaji. Yeah, good morning. Charities Fashion, good morning. Quality Fashion, good morning. And I'll say, and come on, F4. I'm always good morning, Komawa. I don't pay me Chabi Biaboko. I go upon your case. Now I'm back to my taxi drivers. Brad David Apasco, Raouf MP3, Staga Obama, Ricardo Tanko, Batampa Jonathan, Medici, and Koma Emos, Apia, and Koma Piero, Baruso Boy, Brakwami Okasie, Swagger, and I'm on my Kenyan. I don't pay good morning. Mubedem, I don't pay me Johnson. I will bring the song back. Okay, young Ghana Commercial Bank. Ghana Commercial Bank, go to Edna. I will Ghana Commercial Bank now for a good morning and Coma Government Hospital. And call for Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Nana Najwa. I don't pay church Amungina. Everybody saying, and Tamati say, yeah. Abrami when you know me, there won't you? Won't you? Jimmy Bosway. I feel that when you're babe. You can never leave your cake and have it. Everybody now, let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2, see. You never know what you got until you lose it. Papa kwa, niapene kwa, ope dompe, nampa, niachen kwa. Niapene kwa, ope dompe, nampa, niachen kwa.
Have a blessed day.
The papaya, so we na double color girl, one lobite dia mimpa, obosu marketo, what mama kumari too, double face girl, she changes every day, obosu marketo, pete ma kumabi too. Wajine ni rasta ninji hunkuto no beye. Sama kodba ni kakranti ni ete makumana oye. But on the contrary, your penkwan or pasamiyo. Pasami kuminya, a come dinner no mami bidi. Aye, the me say, me uluwesiye. Wafami wadri fi me chinti me soma ya krado. Mafa fufro, ama de dewa. Koweni. So this is why Samini will be a legend. Of course, Samini is still a legend. This is why Samini. See. So when this called the Samini Buhaha was trending on Twitter, people were like, "Yo, Samini, shut up and go and sleep." So I was like, "Really?" You see, sometimes I don't really blame people. Obi Wahanoma. Okay, so let me say this. Obi Wahanoma shut down tea and no one chair. I can't say. Obi Wahanoma shut down follow no, but then follow trend. When they are trending, when Obi did the G. I mean the G. Man. No disrespect to Sarkodie's brand, but come on, when it comes to Samini, oh my God! Right, I want to pay the daily dose of motivation, super bro. I'll face on Wednesday. We're didn't come on depression. And the people didn't come on depression. Our lifestyle segments this morning. One mama kumari too, double face girl. She changes every day. Obosu marketo, pete ma kumari too. Wajine ni rasta ninji hunkuto no beye. Sama kodo ni kakranti niati makumana oye. But on the contrary, your penkwan or pasamiyo. Pasami kuminya, a come dinner no mami bidi. Some who say, me unu asye. So this song was released in 2014. It was a new way by it. So back in the days, me and my sister used to do this. And you be a baby. Now you're transferring your pen paper. You're making sure you're better trying to move. Send a bear, boy, baby, I just getting mad to me. So it was this song, and I sang. What's that sound? When they come now on new bizarre. Yeah, that song like that. Yeah, so you try you the lyrics in there. And I was Charlie started new woman being a mission. Mekaya. Actually, that was 2014. Okay, T. About the same and tematity say, yeah. Abrami bonina, me de won't you? So you can never eat your cake and have it. No way. See. You never know what you got until you lose it. See. Papa kwa, ni abene kwa, ompe dompe, nampa, ni achen kwa, ono dia papa kwa, ni abene kwa, ompe dompe, nampa, ni achen kwa. Ono papa wenye bia, mini adiri. Ano papaya, como papaya, ano papaya, somuye, na double kalaga, kwa lobite dia mimpe, obusumakitu, kwa mama kumaritu, double phrase girl, she changes her video. Obusumakitu. Pete ma komabitu wajina ni ya rasta ninji hunkuto no beye sama kodone kakranti ni ete ma komana oye but on the contrary your penkwan no pesa mi kumenya e kom de na no mami bidi sama hu se me hu no wasie wa fami wa dwifi me chinti me so ma ye krado ma fa fufro ama dedewa koweni. So I think Nancy and I'm really fake up na covenant the say. So on no truck of na covenant the and me watch Samini there. So there was this song from Efia and Sako the same. I mean with this same. And you see Samini is one artist. I mean Charlie ultimi see let's set the record straight. Sako there is a king on, his own. We all know Sako there, the landlord. Yeah. But come on, that conversation wasn't necessary. Samini. See, there's one thing people were forgetting to understand, say. Let me tell you this. Sako there and Samini, they are not colleagues. They are not colleagues. Share. Charlie Saminio, some Batman. My guy, they are not colleagues. I tell you no lie. Alright, so let's jump into straight daily dose of motivations this morning. I'm playing Koyan Crash. I say, me jamming one shana ya the showbiz. Alright, so I'm pay young call straight young Crash here on 93.3 FM. I didn't feel also, Papa. The anti bin film near the that way. You'll call any man, sir. Alright, so Color Studios and Negative Embroidery watching Modern Liberty Transport opposite Kenop Pharmacy. Patrick Color Studios at Daroma. I don't pay your dear Cransha as my bro. Color Studios, your wedding photographies, birthday photographies, studio photographies, passport pictures. And I'll a picture frame in here now. Where you be on a sway, our friends about embroidery lecture, your school crest, church Lacoste embroidery, face star embroidery, cap embroidery. In fact, police uniform embroidery now. You be our Color Studios and digital embroidery. Shannon song. So we do Liberty Transporter. Opposite Kenop Pharmacy or Hop Pepe and I'll be on 0245 2766 38 0245 2766 38 Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. But on the pay room now on sort out now maybe uncle ye come upon from out. Mammy found called Brifferland Hotel. Brifferland Hotel, a Chim Manso. Banu Hotel, in fact, of late. Boys, and girls, in Yadia to me, about swimming. But I'm going to say, man, go for Pegareza. No, like to be very honest. When you say, some people used to go swimming on Saturdays, sometimes on Sundays. But I mean, someone young baby from an apart to number until Briefland the buy. Hey, she was about 1 a.m. How much now go for a good put also some more 1 p.m. Yeah. Go for your what? And I mean, it's a nursing so you are, sir. Nursing a fuka krakenya. Hey, Makachola. Tell nursing to me floating on Suzu. On quasi and a fuka krakani. Hey, Briefland Hotel, what's it? Pepper Charles, so maybe your birthday party. Maybe I from Bisuna. Oh yeah, nah. Pepper Charles, maybe we always have refreshments and I will your reception. Nah, always am pa. I need to hear come on. Uncle Hoda there, and they are should I trafa ho, cosplay, Obi anyo tree, boring. Na kotu Kobonia Kohmania there. Social gatherings be as on the mobile TV. Abayo ho. In fact, parties. Upeso hosti will be Briefland Hotel. Na baby obeda na sumbe jono. And then we na full air condition. Or you come upon a face bobrema. There was spacious and secured car park. Edema wama modi on cars beba honum. Your bar and restaurant Sunday bia omutu special and so koso and our friends pool party and then there koso Saturdays and Sundays. From Anopa. In fact, omuni time amudi bie and omuni time amudi pom. Upa crack how much 5 a.m. Ube sumia to the next day how much 5 a.m. Wow, I say. Then you also what energy out bedens with much. And you know, what the fashion so they are not just say. Yeah, do have a bond movie honey area. Michelle, Briefland Hotel, watching man so. Our Presby school that you pay, and that's any money Janin didn't come on. It was 0551 187 926, now 0507 640302. Briefland Hotel, quality home away from home. And now straight, young crash ourselves. So I'm gonna pay your daily dose of motivations. They say to be the best, you must be able to handle the West. To be the best, you must be able to handle the West. So we are best. So we are best. Near Uzampa. Bossu ne Cornelia. In fact, you must be able to handle a DB. You must be able to handle any challenges. If you really want to succeed, if you really want to be the best, if you really want to be on top, and you will say to me, enya honhom ana ma hoden a wobetimi that handle whatever comes your way. Shall we fighting spirit you can't be the best. You will be our bemu buntema, you can't be the best. You will be in check. Now see idea ma try and you can't be the best. If you want to be the best, if you want the best out of your situation, you must be able to handle the worst. Idea bia bounce about struggling life and I was with me to three baby. So there's a book from Oprah Winfrey. Sorry, there's something I read from Oprah Winfrey. She says challenges are gifts that force us to search for a new center of gravity. Don't fight them. Just find a new way to stand. This is something from Oprah Winfrey. You see, so if you want to be the best, you can't fight challenges. You can't handle challenges. You can't handle the worst situation. Please, you want and you can't be the best. And the fashion would say, if you want to succeed, if you want to be the best, if you want the best out of your situation, you must be able to handle any obstacle. You must be able to handle any challenges. You must be able to handle a dear knock you down. You should, be able to handle them. But you almost say, I didn't mean we to me kwa see, listen. And you won't quan side the corner too, a two abuso. Tio, and you won't quan, and our fee say, what's not say, it's not you alone. Someone is also facing same. Tio, someone is make I some accounts as you hanum pense. Even the rich people or my esika no up to date, lot of them are still facing challenges. Yes, so lot of them are still facing challenges. So don't ever think, say, with your small business you are trying to set up. Na ajiegu, you know, I mean, me my bread. Share. What do you call for bra some do no? Me pacho. You should be able to handle the rest. Adie bia ufish adie we dey knock you down. Adie we dey a person sell adie we dey person business ni tumpon. Adie we dey just say warrior task so person sell no. Listen. Our son so retard so say. Also be sad the chrono. Say a spiritual, go the spiritual way. If it's physical, go the physical way. You get it? Don't sit and say, this thing is fighting me and it has destroyed everything around me. So I am also giving up. No. Don't ever give up. There's a song from R2B's. PD can say, winners never quit, quitters never win. Right? Yes. If you quit, you can't win. Yeah, come now say Matia Shintino. Me nkobium. Na your point out because can you tell me Terry and coming with defense? Are you serious? No. Who does that? What Terry sorry not to us. What Terry? Sorry. Not to Americanos. What Terry? There's a video I saw. Kwala binas and omu komika. I mean, they are kids. Omu komika na. Omu start here no. Bakutishe. Or the whole swing na. Never ever time to say. I'm sorry, no call. Get up and go. I'm sorry. Now the revenue guys soon. Guess what? He won the race. Sometimes we need that helping hand. We need people to encourage us to say, Adiana wayana, I say no. She say obi. And so say, but wonder ho. So that is why every day, every morning I sit here and I want to remind you of something you are losing. So no, if you don't take care, you have yourself to be blamed. Of course, you know what I mean. There are people blaming their failures. I mean, to their friends, to their families, and whatever. So failure, you don't need to blame your family. You need to blame yourself. One kasa. One kasa. Because at the end of the say no. Wabusu any video any decide na say. So you don't expect him or her. Somebody can't say sorry na ya ade ni bio. I mean, she's happy, he's happy. I say inti. And it's a whole trance. Now also can say some years to come when you are poor and you go to them for money. So power church someone will be there. Now they will refer you. They will bring you back to when you failed. In fact, you decided not to get on your feet again. So please, Sawatia shene, business not collapse here. Get up, put yourself together, rearrange yourself. That's a Drew hobby. Man, that this morning I was listening to my favorite program on TV, and one man called in. And what? See, there are people where sometimes people want to blame people for their mistakes. People want to blame people, others, for their mistakes. And the other saying, can you weigh anchor? Share, and your wine. And you weigh anchor with a medruno. Oh, boy. Abrabon wa the hour, one a crowd. Abrabon one a crowd. So, baby, direction I best Abrabon no one ever go. It's on to you to direct your life. Fa. Get up on your feet and do something meaningful. You should be able to fight whatever that comes your way. 93.3 FM. Yako break about. Yakoba, and then Wednesday, lifestyle segments will come in your way. Remember, this year. Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, ain't you obia pemasem? So, what do you Shaminsa? Mesha say, Usika and co waste. Ain't me Tomino Manina free junk trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, Anna, Chairman Mensan chain, and Tisawo Cement, Gasem, Diamond, Anna says, Simaf, Nina, Ubenyebi Ato, Mr. Mensa, Anna Chairman Mensan chain, Open Nadwa, all inches, iron rolls, 16 to quarter rolls, POP, plaster balls, Kenoff, Papa Panibi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, opetry barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size, Nina, Ubenya Biatowo, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, Anasa Chairman Mensan Chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and Editioning, friend 0208 123 872, Ana 0244 566 880, Champ Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form. I just wanna rock you.
New Herba Center. Afedie, ya be Herba Clinic. Ewa kemoda, ya wo. Kwame no way wa. Anuti, ya die bia eda so. Say yes sisi ya die. Say yes stroke. Say ya hypertension. Say ya diabetes. Say ya and ya die. Typhoid. Ana we ya die. Anasa ebia obema no. Awu kojo to. Ode ba. Ya bemo adro ne be pejan. Anasa ode ne se wuntimi mbodwuma. Ya say so ewa massage machines. Ewa ho. Ah ya de be massage wo. Ya wo machine ya. Kanu ni paduani na eyi ni paduani na to ho ema yemu se ha ena yade no ehye enti fa yade bra yade nurses for any doctors akukuda ani yade aba clinic ho sesi ade eye kwaku asie du heba clinic se wa asebisa bi afreye 0247 03 7564 ye wo abrosaina e wa kwa filling station echi won pay there be a Vodafone office for e wono sa abrosaina ni mu a na ye wo yade bi a odi besi hobia ye tini say te enobias
Hey, na den e ko so amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. What pass yankasa.
Hey, na school ben no eni omo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko tro ne de enye crowd. Hey, mass nye.
Faniko only believe.
English yenye.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye crowd.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. E penny for sister banchinya. E jana chere. Abofra no dia wo sister ni tia bon na wo hu hwe ya. Faniko only believe. Afi woman mo tro so hwe ni nyina pa. Menua, am afra no ya dachi o. Hey, BC so hwe woman mo tro ye. Say wa pass yo. Say wa pass yo. Faniko only believe. Na the see me ne worker say no woman bia admission na woman che mofra no. Form 1, form 2. Konya da hono mo se see make say.
Hey, enti awofo ani age omo ye de say.
Yen kan kire. Yase body ani one ye din kanfo. Only believe papa. Abofra ne ko ho na ne so hwe ne de. Kwai bia school be ma chekire for me for so ma mofra na pass ne de. Wo mo be ye. Wo school fees so de ne border from boko. Obetima tua ne installment. Kakra ko yisa abofra ne be wie school. E school ya pia ne platform ma want admission. School fees ne crowd ye e ma ne nya dadwen. Wo dia ne se wo de wani be kire mu. E wo only believe senior high. E di for wani kire mu wo achim go krantu. Anasa fresh 0240 202 148. Anasa 0247 670 736. And 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
When we send your police ni aduro imbu saba mesa amama hoaden
refuse to grow any offense wa beka ho
ahoaden immune system o nyankopon e de awura nipadua no musam moye ho ban no enna sa wonom imbu saba mesa e pagya immune system na bribia ya yare antimiu sese die amanfo dodo no a na di imbu saba mesa do ne ho adanse ese enyarewa horo anipa enyina etimi ba ne so ene nyarewa kese nkaye a wuti ne din ene ho ka na oyemu ahyew nyina no ebo ye ho ban afiri ho enna wo mpo a omu wanyarewa ne dada na omunum doctor enuro no enum imbu saba mesa no a emo ahoaden pintin ya omu ntimpo se yare ehye omu ho imbu saba mesa ewo kanshi ene oman mu babia yeto enuro etufo mfre 0246 208496 imbus heba mesa police ni no edro no enkratwe FDA asayase
banjo why go masa St Andrews asembubu wayek machine biomo afie we die eye buta
7 A's 6 A's and 5 A's no abruso
enti sesei sa wo beto forms e wo St Andrews SHS a the results ni bi na chance
afie we ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university
wow we die e buru adwen ene ntiase so
eno nti se wo school bi akọ feli poto
e mane hawo kra
for ani tremu St Andrews SHS say St Andrews ebi akwanya ama omo kọ form 3
enti ma wonye ha na be fa forms na tre wasi May June exams ni bi afia ebe
enti masa akwanya we mpa ho fisa me hu yanka na aka echi
enti fresisia na je SHS 3 admission forms
0244696911 ana 0207891004 St Andrews SHS
we are always
in the league.
Now bam peble yo ne nam he ne o sha sra fo atade
eh obabra me se me ho kura dwure me eye suku bi obi di ho adanse kire me o ene asesa me ba ya bro boy se wa twere wasi so he ya twere na se wuntwa bomodi na kopie mu o
eh na suku be nko ano no
eye Great Omega Academy Great Omega Academy adisuafo ni say yema yen a na kiri kwan no wo New Tafo SDA School Junction epuemantemu heya
sa epuemantem heya number da ben
obabra me se suku yi eba ye enyene se wo na ututua so nko ade a wo twere so hwe a utwa omoye courses ni bi ti say general art visual art business home economics general science and afi technical baby a obeda so podie e mane nyi wadwendwe suku no wo hostel kese e won mo de amasuafo
unia ene fa me ko hono men
ewra ji pani kwa kirefo ni number na friend na ji mu nkiremu e 0243 21 4720 ana 0543 90 9502 Great Omega Academy. Impossible is possible.
Ejamomien kana winners a make a difference papa.
Now they are friend wo
there be winners there see any momo dada. Nemom se there one ma tumu nkyere kra. Oba oje o form 3 straight form 1 ne form 2 nyina so akwanya eda ho. Facilities papa bi biology lab, chemistry lab, physics, ICT, home economics, ICT no eye compulsory.
So person ultra was May June and none of that. The right place eye winners senior high school.
Waec amomo exam center number. Enu nti omo transfer hwe ne wo suku mu ho a teacherfo akuku damankasa na extra wade enu nti ubetwa no one time courses a waye no ebi ene general arts, pure science, business, home economics and afi agric science.
Winners senior high school ego admission so say ma honya ha ne ko admission e ma oban
basic afane so our winners divine academia waje nkwala every nursery ekosi JHS3 our boarding e de ma nkwala mu nyina ubehunu winners school complex Ewon Koko Sidom restaurants ne opposite Paso Nakosi school mu ho Frepani kwantre for the school no ano ewo 0244 571927 and afi 0208 193788 Winners School Complex raising the standard of excellence.
I swear. nyamia nim ne kroni say bread Dania I was also Danny B Preferland Hotel wow what a hotel Messi mitri Miami do mitri Miami do me wife wo hen besini ko Preferland weekend zibien esan say eye bia wo kope as wadu fie bibia bi wo ho management ne so ye tight wo mo nipa wo do ene to kra ne Japan besini ko Preferland Hotel say wo di birthday party oh ware ana ye na ode wo ba fi program bia Bowra Preferland Hotel adentia owo car park kesie owo baby green grass enkwada diagro kama na ne bunu eya kono bi international standard udwali ni na ekone safa filter mu bunu so udwali a unse yes udwali ni pensio akono ankasa Preferland Hotel owo adan ya udwo bebre asa udwo ni bra onya busa ne benya baby ada na so no kanjimansko no problem ebo no sie ku enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Preferland Hotel enyum tietia so abri bia eninti achum dan manso ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross for mo hye ho Preferland Hotel bamamo na nima sem de bia wo kwase da bia eye pool party esanso e mutual special brabe didi na se dwale Preferland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu ani akyere achum dan kwa no so na Presby school na chipe fra 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302 Preferland Hotel Fresisia ne Abama
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Shiloh Martin can say, Yamasa feeling in your friend of Donana. Jamanoa. Hey, Yamasa, the friend of Donana. Jamanoa. Wait, Adobeba. Ababana Maelalu. Adobeba. Benfelalu. Adobeba. Ababana Maelalu. Adobeba. Benfelalu. Put on your dancing shoes. Put on your yes. Grab it him. Concerning when I yes, I forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes, I forget your problems, so my sister, hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem is 99, thinking go make 100. It means to be a moment, dear Roger. Brian, yes, oh, be bye. Brian, yes, oh, be bye. Put on your dancing shoes. Brian, yes, grab a jump to sunny when I yes, forget your problems, so my brother. Brian, yes, forget your problems, so my sister, hey, happy yourself. Cause if your problem be 99, thinking go make 100. Brian, yes, so be bye. I like
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so music of Continue Ahenkan. That reminds me, send them on the date. Okay, the first day of February 2023, but officially 2023, and then I started mommy, and then at 2023 I started. Some months back on the day on what can last year home. January no can last year home. And then the first January the mommy. Oh man to end check. Are we doing 28 or 29 days? 29, 28. You see, that is why I love February. And what did we say? Because of chocolates, because of chocolate, November coffee baby. Are you aware? Because of chocolates and coffee baby, a man baby. November ni December baby. Alright, so 14th February. It's just around the corner. 30 more days. Yeah, boo baby there. Vast day on fire home. Maybe. Vast day on fire home. So we are actually telling that Akuma that dear hearts, we dey take God beg you. Continue pumping the blood. Vast day on fire home. Koswana pompi moja dia kuma. Koswana pompi moja. Because vast day fan. Any aze. Baby ya kuma ne da no. Obi di ahye ni botom. E no de ne nane na me yi hono na. Seba. Manalen, Maziti, Manalen, Manalen, Maziti, Manalen, Abba, Zede, Dia, You see, as I'm to say, I'm to know where we are just say. But you don't let me say this on air. Am I in love? Woo, my darling, my city, oh no, yes, it's you, my darling, my city, my darling, oh no, yes, it's you, baba, see that, I better break up some pan. And for way, this 14th, I don't know, I had a dream last night. Mission commander. It's me so dire. And I mean, who Yashimu said 14th February way. This vows day. A my team, Mama Kuma will chrome hano. It is a member of man Shamu who ya. Or Dan government hospital Cryangemo. Kolebuni G. And ya the mobile call. I come down for a groom. But top punchline by goes to say, only the legends will understand. If you are the baby, if you have my hand, baby. A young called Jam Trading Enterprise. Jam Trading Enterprise, me pacho. Shall we sit down? Shall we sit down? Not shall we cement. In fact, I dance here who no menina. Called Jam Trading Enterprise. Say cement, another one iron rocks, POP fiber boards, center panels, and the idea we have a sub painting home. Me pacho tea. From a danifit ya seko sineriye. Ningina a Jam Trading Enterprise. Me pacho wa company junction. On the Jaji the Dish ni was brano pay. Na mon transna mun din komo tie. Mon transin din komo. Na ohu kwa ba fa so aboa. Maka cho says is here no yensi dan wo dem biem there bi yensi dan e wo dem. Ube disika no. Eti adenti na nko Mr. Mensan chen mon ko transe. Na monsen sign krata wo ho na fa sika no jano. Na fe bomodin na ene wa koje cement 80 bags or 100 sa. Kopim so be sida na wie. Open na do one so akọ. In fact, ya upe bialo. No abo rem e Jam Trading Enterprise or wa company junction. Me pa cho fe no 0208 123 872 na 0244 566 880 0244 566 880. Na kope nyo mama bobo so ni na say PO plaster balls. Na ya cho so kenof and na papa kope mi tano pay. Now Regent Roofing and Construction Limited. What call Mr. Mensan chen wie na. What to dance hu no manyina no. Wa kwesi na wie afi akasa wo be boso. Akasa wo be bodan so. Me pa cho Regent Roof and Construction Limited. Call my sway na afi pay. Wo munu ndin ko me pa cho be free estimated amount installation, woodwork and after sales services nina. We be afi omo product no omo IBR IDT there was self lock standing seam metal trusses and afi so euro tiles nina copy me we Regent Roof and Construction Limited e wo achem odan opposite Akim State SHS ohana na be hu me pa cho copy bito nkofo bi wo no mo dan so 3 days of it is what to ajay and from across the body yay Saturday on I na me dwun amenti azio ampa utimi boka to cement ni ade si dan ton chance papa so akoto kokochi konku bosu wo ya sa me ankasa me bopa ma boys be 2 dan so sisi am the said man beto me ho so me fa new site ni ade a me hu se won chance dan no say free regent na just one top papa tie me ba free regent one top papa me bopa ma boys 2 so untumi nya me hwe me bopa na boys abe 2 dan so na maka cho se bosu adan ya dwon o chena mi from afana tutu aka say na radio for the nya asem na just ye be cancer ye mpese ye be kan asem biem misra call Regent Roof and Construction Limited na kope IBR IDT Sevlog standing seal ni ade fa bo dan so na fe wo da wada na hwian kromo ni ade a me pa cho frey na 0544 313-504 na 0544-313-505 na 0244-134-119 tina mani biem 313-504 na 0544-313-505 na 0244-134-119 Regent Roofing Construction Limited, also your home of reliable roofing products. Try to use this here. Now you saw too. One time cry. Now I'm proper Gina. I did now here today and wow. Now classic ointments. Pebi thorn pay fasara. Already any ever boa now fay. Bibi chimi akoso ye pon de ma me pa cho obi asabio in kronkro to body ne ho ne ade enye a classic ointment na fasara ma we de na toso ubewu sampa se tutuma tutum kokko akoko afresh obi a pimples etetel upe classic ointment a betu ase foot rot no so enantema propro classic ointment will do justice e betu ase dem am afresh so ringworm dandruff and de enye kra sabio oba na be ma ho a ewo wutrim mesrew okope classic ointment ni bia bebo na etu ho a e de fi wutrim achimwadan hanom de obenye bia to amwafo drugstore Chiniba drugstore Candy drugstore EK Simming drugstore ewo Old Town Frey 0544 791600 na 0500 799433 classic ointment FD in Sasha's here it's Mr. Kopebito after National Senior High School Sukuya wo Kumasi but I'm a branch I'm a campus back ho abe PM ewo achim oda me pacho men June wasi exams na baso afiwe mu no National Senior High School sabra na we are admitting students as SHS3 ibedi ano no SHS my shatawalo SHS me sro SHS3 almost sabra na yeah admit you na for trans na tro wasi no na twa back on trend wenja no problem National Senior High School sabra na mombo na tro we na twa ye pan ya campus no wachim kwanta modan achimodan kwanta okay modan kwanta ben JHS no and so we are science student visual student home economics student we are business student general art student me patcho sebra na yentete here pan because we have highly experienced teachers who are WAEC examiners or me boa na fe 100% pass afresh your hostel facilities at the man esuafo free echire de ba WAEC biometric registration so coso and afresh your scholarship to I have first 50 students a 20% scholarship at the first 50 students Mr. Frey and that's a WhatsApp here it was 0540779363 now 0244923636 0244923636 try and tum na yes sort it out na yam prapra BBH come on pa afama now I'm not trying now water e nsuo ye krogen e nsuo bi etu egu so me pa choko pe bitano pay go fridge mu na dey fa serve ahoho eyie na ba app no fa bi serve ayi fro no e no ane dey serve I'm not trying now water pre 0249680213 na 0500231091 we hu ye chia kwan e wa chimoda Ghana Commercial Bank opposite and now be WAS Bio Engineering Ghana Limited. Me pacho yaton ton trolleys, yaton ton baskets, and now for fridges. Yetonton shells ne ade na fa hye ne so se ubie supermarket ubie mall na se uhia sa product we nyina ubehu ye kira kwan e wo ye amasaman ye ban ye japia depot no danso ye delivery across Ghana and that be a sub phone one frame was 0596 318 686 na 0509 994 592 0542 325 584 na wo twa ya tu na fe yesu yetimi aboa wa ne sa Shabo sano muna wahana ase bo mtu sa manane manene manane manane
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Let's see how free we and go for. Go for a couple of this was deal. Umpe once a matter, baby. Umpe once a man. Me see chocolate in tea. Girls baby job boys. Chocolate in tea. Send a money be sabio, a money be any bread and a shin, so money be any you. The white chocolate manna. O people told 2 a man in the catch in the way as a master out there near one, but then can name. You know, we have one man I am. Say that. Obisa cost the 14th February. Be my birthday. Maybe I talk for Udimbra. I beg your pardon. Yeah, wow, last number 114. Michelle. For Udimbra, I mean, I would train. I mean, proper tree, man. Why? Maybe I talk on. I mean, my sister, phone in my ear. You can probably have my minimum number. Be it, Michelle. What testing that you say? You are expecting? Say, okay. So let me see. Oh, Kojo 40. And how would they be do birthday? And your boy on November did the birthday. Kojo boy 40 for your way or boy. Let me Kojo did the birthday. What do you hear me there, ah? Obi na boy na hear me there. And I need pardon so. Eva. Akwabwa pa so bonyumo. O se wo do na de se chichire. Ah, sugar. And I never go so a kind as was all way on fan cheche. One go for the chapana, yes, sir. Oh, wow, what's the chair of? Girls also be bread the chapa. I don't dare to forward crew. Don't dare to forward crew. Eva. Let's start a new person. Maybe I say you have to. You have a music class. I was young for your music class. Why would himself 40th? You better walk on my patron, you meant to be. You better walk on my dear, you meant to be. Miss Ropa. At the young corner say 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, shall we go? 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, quick. Alright, so there's a message here. This one says, good morning, Kosti. This is your boy Ahenkan Michael. Please, today is my lovely baby girl, Esther Asantua Buedu's birthday. Please wish her for me. She's in across, okay, Macross SHS. Okay. It's a happy birthday and come out. Esther, across SHS. And your birthday, happy birthday, Cassiopan. This is from Ahenkan Michael. Go back, Kakra. I come now. Okay, Yanko, you did me pacho, mema udi hodona road do mood, kai se obe wa kuma ho ban. And you say bia me bonu muntino na. Udi say me when I was young, like what's that time na etie radio panel. This time around the Shlan Kosubium. Now I'm all area kasa udi say we are those days. You'll be listening to Westlife and yeah, almost solidad. Those days, I mean, we were bad. You get it. So, I was vision man. It was more like your vision board. Crazy there when vision please. When him say, and no my boy, you do that kind of move. When you vision ma, I beg you, come out, come out. But I come home. What do you say? My issue disclaimer, please. Myself and my team, we are just playing the music for you to enjoy whilst you are working. We are not telling you to put yourself in that other mood. If you do, and you are on your own. Oh, we are not there. Some we beg you. All right, so let's talk about depression. So let's talk about depression on our lifestyle segment this morning. And I wouldn't say depression, I had about Kwani Pabebre. A honey Pabebre pan. Depression, I had about a honey Pabebre pan. And in Coffee Brain, so any say, depression, a dream we are. Depression. Hey, I dream we are. We always say, okay, so what is depression? Now let me read what we have here. Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. Yeah. The nipa be na ni say depression cry adwemu yare ni ade, but of course it is. And I cry depression fast so ba no. Ebia one day you be share that medical practitioner be not ye di hun komo because depression there idea was ye di hun komo kwache, but then because of our lifestyle segment you be pra so kakra da man say na bia so be hun how a wo betumi eyi hu free that state. In fact, when you are depressed, my catcher said me I was depressed for 2 years. Good. Oh no, it wasn't good. Bad 2 years. Yeah, I was depressed for bad 2 years. I think my share me experience in the pain. But one day you ever find medical practitioner be there. They who come here and I'm a second story in the I was depressed for 2 years, from 2018 to 2020, and I was okay at the later part of 2020. It wasn't easy. Depression, so how do we treat depression? Depression is among the most treatable of mental disorders. Now, between 80% and 90% of people with depression eventually respond well to treatments. Almost all patients gain some relief from their symptoms. Now, there are many ways of treating depression. There are medical treatments like, taking some prescribed medicine. And there was psychotherapy. I don't know. I mean, these are medical treatments, yeah. Which medical can be home some other time. Yeah, will be to say we are complementary medicine. This involves treatment you may receive along with traditional Western medicine. People with mild depression or ongoing symptoms can improve their well-being with therapies such as acupuncture, massage, synopsis, and maybe a biofeedback in the area. But all of this, I'm not a medical person, you know. Me proper ways to them out. But then yedi hun komo ewa kwanya over to me afaso akio we because a home remedy. Yeah. There are also things you can do at home to improve or to help improve depression symptoms. It is getting regular exercise. Now let's talk about this one. Depression in the brain. And him say Adwuma yare na me kan kind, but of course it is. Because when you are depressed, I mean, if you are not depressed, if you are depressed, sometimes what they are cry all day. What did you cry about whole chance you cry all day? I mean, it's a depression shoulder. They make can't tell you, but they back shoulder. Ubeti me about them on Tadia you feel good them hobby. And then why if you best to cry on care so belly. Now then my if you pan out them. Sometimes 3 days to cry when you cry you okay. Depression and I think comatians who lead to depression. Sometimes you fall in love with someone. I'm thinking say ready and I best say that mode query mode but before you realize now back what tobacco ticket mano back best seven back hot breakfast. I dare not the ayana basa the who could do panel bet me. I mean, the person can be depressed. So let me tell you, or let me show you some ways how you can cure or you can treat. Yes, that is the better word. You can treat your depression. Now, getting regular exercise when you are depressed. These are some of the things you should do. Getting regular exercise. And I'll pay you now. Exercise in the wouldn't say. Let me tell you this. I once hit the gym. Yeah. Mama Jai, one therapy and to heal yourself from broken hearts is to go to gym. Yes, if you don't know, exercise. So if you are depressed, should consider going to the gym. Because in fact, you go and meet people, you socialize, you go and work out. I think jogging will do. From Wufia to a certain point, you turn your back and make a throw kakra, getting regular exercise will also help you to treat your depression. Now, getting quality sleep, not too little, not too much. And baby, and then yes, but then getting quality sleep, you can't quality sleeper. So that you should be able to take everything off mind. What I say? And yes, I call that now they are drinking. I call that say, how do I solve this? How do I deal with this? How do I go around this situation? No, just get everything off mind. Sleep, get quality sleep. What kill depression? Now, eating a healthy diet. Balanced diet, kakra. And I say, morning beans. And a balanced diet. That is what I'm fra. Me patcho with the beans because you are check a town about town. Me patcho and my depression and kokra. Now, I depression I chose beans in because yeah, I beg you. And then I want to recommend. But at least, depression here. I mean, having good diets will also help you, get relief of all and avoiding alcohol. And then let me tell you. So Obi Kachra will say, say, if you are depressed and now drinking that also, we say, na ono alcohol, obwa. So are you telling me say Obi wa drinking mu problem that Obi so no alcohol? Ade no kwa obwa na etin ani so a on kai bi mana. Masa. Diameter so be so na me ma drink na me no nsa me so basa obwa. Why now you kohwi ni da no mo kasa ko no nsa. Kasa ko no nsa. Woni ma toss wa o say adwendwen ti na me no nsa obwa. Obwa kra. People if you are depressed, avoid alcohol. Avoid alcohol. And no cry be add more. But can't say so. My guy be depression depression a lot of people are walking depression but they don't know. The people feel say it is stress. What them say? Your difference between being stressed and being depressed. Kofu nim sad no. Baby are depressed, but they think they are stressed. They are not. They are depressed. So this guy was heavily depressed. Yeah. It's come on. Then like we were boys, and I was sharing with him how I made me fast. So they say one day I think I've shared this story before. Mesa can be I made me fast. So I was able to deal with my depression. So I was telling this guy and I was telling him certain things I did, some books I read, You know what he told me? I said, Masa, not come and depress my depression. Just this time I'm not gonna forget that. Hey! So I the kind book be like I mentioned one book to him, and I say, I think I've heard of this book before. I'm saying, yeah. I mean, a normal book on the internet. So he went to the bookshop. I mean, the bookstore. The online bookshop. I don't know who was that. Who be a trust a book near 245 pages. He said, Mother, don't come and depress my depression. Reading 245 pages there. Maybe I don't. But if you don't like reading or if you don't love reading, forget it. And we would depress your depression. I mean, come on, reading 245 pages. I mean, come on. But I won't say, it's not an easy thing, no. And yeah, easy. We say being told that, you won't understand what I'm saying. Being told that. Now, point number 4. Sorry, point number 5. Last point. Which end of the year. A very effective spending time with people you care about. If you want to treat your depression, you need to spend quality time, much time or more time with people you care about. People you care, and the underlying word is you care. People you care about. Spend some quality time with them, and trust me, all these remedies, the last one, I mean, is the thing for me. So for that 2 years when I was depressed, it was me. I went to the gym for some week and I'm I can't go and kill myself lifting heavy things. Me fool or something that I don't need 6 packs. They say obi say nursing. So me and nursing, I tell you say me and nursing like we go start gym next week. I don't tell you. So we go start gym next week. And nursing, nursing you know the try this house say oh he me fool. Next week we make up now start gym say me patch me come here. Say the leader so on me. Next thing you full set mind. The leader so on me. So I never call me a boy me. So it was reading and spending time with people I care about. So I was always with my cousin, Kweku Ayoka. The piano baby. Sometimes I me down or me shane one you bet me game from a homachi to a homachi. Oh game extra time extra time pa. But say me many kuma na onu fancy be onu mom na nikum no da no ma calm problems. So then I need to go back to the books, read books. Nah there. But the boy me pan was reading and playing game. I mean TV games. The boy me pan. But it was 2 years. Obebusa says so I didn't in a chess Hey, I was depressed from 2018 to latter part of 2020. It wasn't easy for me. I will share with you my story. Sometimes people think Obi or you okay don't get depressed. It's a lie. Hey. Oh wakra. Even rich people. Obi awonya no ho. But anyways, I'm here. Some tips. Home remedies to treat your depression. I didn't say to kill. Because Obi a depression actually pain. Why you okay? Can be depressed again. It's not man you should kill. Me you should treat. Because me can't cure you think say okay, what cure with depression so it won't come again. Oh boy. Oh wakra. Obi a depression actually pain. Obetima sa enya depression bi. And I idea baako a me dia to me ho so pa na nka sama che. There are things I want to have a big conversation on. That is young boys and as young people who are into drugs and again depression. These are the most two important topics I want to treat this year. I am praying. Me bon pa say menya penibia. Okay, so let me say it. Me po bi obesom ase. I was scaffing. Me po bi obesom ase because I want to do this education. Our various schools, especially SHS on depression and also drugs. Because of social media, now we are exposed to things we don't normally used to see back in the days. Now we see things a man called for pressure. Even yesterday I posted something on my Facebook timeline because I can see that. The reason why I did that was someone came into my inbox, and see, it is not wrong to have a mentor. It is not wrong to have someone you look up to, like, yo, this is my mentor. So it is not wrong. But so see, this is what I posted yesterday, 13 hours ago. Charlie, take care of yourself on this street. Don't be pressured by some stuffs you see here. People are just living social media life, and it's not funny. These behaviors has turned a lot of young guys into what they are not. Be real, please. Take care of your mental health. Stay guide to. Certainly, your own time will come. Right. So I made this post based on things I've been seeing on social media. Yes. And I continue to say this. Nipa bebre Felicia Oma Ketre because their friends, their classmates are living life. Felicia. I'm also, also deserve yes, also deserve same opportunity na for nenya. Listen, people are living social media life. Ebi ni kapre, but to pressure. And to you be a oma pressure found tema. Ema bebre pressure fa ma bebre because a certain a certain so-called celeb because Chromano the only big na and the camera sees so near for celebrity meboa a certain so-called celeb show some necklace, some dress, some shoe, and wakama na to about that young girl na sum say about there if your salary can't provide this for you, you should be sleeping with men. You get it? Maybe no a source of income or they are necklace, watch, chain. But the impression I'll create to a social media and say, as a young girl, na you try 1,000, you try 1,500, untimin tossa radio. What should you do? Share Oba and the boyfriend, national service, you try no 700 or you try 600. Now, two boy pressure say pay iPhone 13 plus. I saw that story on Facebook. The guy is a national service, personnel. How much is their salary? How much is their this thing? You get it? I saw pay iPhone 13, so the guy should get in the phone, blah 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 blah. And I see because of love, you don't want to leave this guy. And go and read comments. Hey, I'm on radio. Come BB. Go and come. I said, go and read comments. People are telling the girl what to do. Yo, say, if the salary is small, now on to me, and why are you still with him? Why are other men there? And people are suggesting she goes in for married people because this year they are the ish. Me, I am not against Obabia. You want to date a married man? Me, this thing I've said it countless times. I am not against it. Me JHS, and there was this girl who went to sleep with Obina. You can't say make company for me, become fan me. You can't this get this just had a mocha. Me and every day, you get it. And every day, it's you. When I will choose whoever you want to give that thing to. So if you want to give it to a married man, it is your own cup of tea. But remember, say your friend will be calmer. When you marry, someday when you marry, some SHS girl, some small girl will do same to you. It is karma. So whatever you wish to do, it is your own cup of tea. But I'm saying, since your pressure na dozen, Charlie, and your man might be here on the streets. And your man boys be here on the streets. And you're too much. And I want to take this upon myself. I want to do this. I need people to support me. I want to go to SHS, various secondary schools. I want to talk on these two topics. Depression and drugs. I want people to help me. Yeah, me I'm available. This is my place. Oba had debi abehumi. Me point Adwuma. Me stay around for 2 hours or something now. Me go feel cry. Offer me out. Remember because here na me wo. So if you really want to help, I really want to do this by the end of 2023. I want to talk to girls. I want to talk to boys. Please. If you're performing like this, I will. If you're performing 24/7, she's looking good near the other. If you're making cancer, say yeah.
Okay. Then I'll go out.
So be wow. And if you're performing, hey, this lady, hey, why find you shirt this channel? And if you're performing, who are with you?
What's that?
It is how you are. So yeah, also they were Ghana here.
What's that? I said better come.
Your friend, you do a job for what? Because